The new redesigned Xperia camera app offers an intuitive way to take photos and videos. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at how to use the Photo Mode, Video Mode, Pro Photo Mode, and Pro Video Mode, covering everything from basic shooting methods to custom settings to help you get the most out of the app. Let's start by launching the app. You can launch the app by tapping on its icon or pressing the power key twice. If your device has a dedicated shutter button, you can use it to launch the app. Press and hold down the shutter button until the app launches. When you open the app, you will be presented with the Photo Mode screen. Slide horizontally to select the mode you wish to use. We'll start off by looking at how to use Photo Mode. To take a photo, focus the camera on the subject you wish to photograph and press the shutter button on the screen or the shutter button on the side of the Xperia. If you wish to zoom in and take a photo, tap on the appropriate zoom level. Tap again and drag to adjust the zoom level to your liking. If you want to adjust the focus, brightness, or color balance, tap on the screen. Tap on the subject of your photo to focus on it. To adjust the brightness or color balance, move the sliders on the left or right. You can adjust other settings by tapping on the gear icon. From here, you can set the aspect ratio, self-timer settings, and flash. And for even finer control, tap on the menu to access the advanced settings. If you want to adjust the focus or shutter speed when shooting, you must enable these settings. To set the focus to manual, tap Auto under Focus to change it to manual. Then adjust it to your desired setting. You can set the shutter speed to manual in a similar way. Flash, night shooting, and close-up shooting can be toggled on and off using the icons at the top left. The flash icon is always displayed, but the night shooting icon is only shown in low-light conditions, and the close-up shooting icon is only shown when the photographic subject is close enough. The creative function allows you to choose color balances, so you can easily take photos that pop. To find out more about a look, tap on the question mark icon to find out what situations the different color options suit best. Tap this icon to switch to the front camera. Explore all of the different features Photo Mode has to offer. Next, let's move to Video Mode. To shoot a video, slide horizontally and go to Video Mode. Focus the camera on what you want to film and press the record button on the screen or the shutter button on the side of the device to start recording. You can adjust the zoom, focus, brightness, and other settings of the video in the same way as Photo Mode. Videos can be set to a maximum resolution of 4K and to a maximum frame rate of 120 FPS. There is also a light function that is useful when filming in low-light conditions, and a product showcase option that is perfect for filming product reviews, so you can easily adjust the settings based on what you want to film. For even finer control, tap on the menu to access advanced settings, such as dynamic range, HDR and SDR, video stabilization, and microphone settings. It is also possible to record a video while in Photo Mode. Press and hold the shutter button in Photo Mode to start recording a video. Then release the button to stop recording. If you wish to keep filming without having to continuously press the button, slide right while holding down the shutter button to lock it in recording mode. This will allow you to release the button and film hands-free. Next, we'll look at Pro Photo Mode. Pro Photo Mode offers a similar user interface as Sony Alpha cameras, making it perfect for those who want even more control over the photos. To shoot in Pro Photo Mode, swipe left and go to Pro Photo Mode. The Xperia can be operated in the same way, whether you hold it in portrait or in landscape, and you can operate it while checking precise settings. To change the shooting mode, tap the icon in the top left corner to switch between Program Auto, Shutter Speed Priority, and Manual Exposure. If you wish to zoom in and take a photo, tap on the appropriate zoom level. Tap again and drag to adjust the zoom level to your liking. The exposure, shutter speed, and ISO sensitivity can be adjusted by tapping at the bottom of the display. Tap Function to display the function menu, from which you can fine-tune the focus, white balance, and more. The icons are similar to Sony Alpha cameras, so you can operate these settings with the same level of familiarity. You can use the Creative Look function in Pro Photo mode, allowing you to choose one of 6 different color balances for your photo. Unlike the other modes, in Pro Photo mode, this option can be found by tapping on Function. Tap Display to show or hide the footer, spirit level, and histogram. Furthermore, the new Telephoto Macro mode allows you to take telemacro shots. To use this mode, first slide horizontally to More, then select Telephoto Macro. Point the camera at what you want to capture. You need to use manual focus in Telephoto Macro mode, so use the slider to adjust the focus. You can turn on focus peaking in the settings to give visual feedback of what is in focus. To take a photo, press the shutter button on the screen or the shutter button on the side of the Xperia. You can switch between photo and video modes by tapping on the button next to the shutter button. Now we'll look at Pro Video mode. Based on Sony Alpha cameras, Pro Video mode gives you even more control when filming. To film in Pro Video mode, swipe left and go to Pro Video mode. To change the filming mode, tap the icon in the top left corner to switch between Program Auto, Shutter Speed Priority, and Manual Exposure. The exposure, shutter speed, and ISO settings can be adjusted by tapping at the bottom of the display. If you wish to zoom in and film a video, tap on the lens toggle, then tap again and drag to adjust the focal length or zoom scale to your liking. Tap Function to display the function menu, from which you can fine-tune the frame rate, microphone settings, eye autofocus, and more. As with other modes, you can use the Creative Look function in Pro Video mode, allowing you to choose your preferred color balance from the 6 creative looks, plus S-Cinetone for mobile. For even finer control, tap on the menu button to access and adjust advanced settings in each category. The current settings are shown at the top of the display, so you can check them at any time while filming. An audio meter is also displayed, so you can check the audio level from the microphone. External microphones are also supported. Tap Display to show or hide the spirit level and histogram. You are now ready to start filming. Focus the camera on what you want to film and press the record button on the screen or the shutter button on the side of the Xperia to start recording. If you want to pause recording for a moment, press the pause button. Press it again to resume recording. You can also take a snapshot by pressing the white button next to the pause button. The new Xperia camera app enables everybody, from beginners to professionals, to easily shoot using their desired settings. This app will allow you to easily shoot in a variety of different situations. Discover the settings that suit you best and enjoy a great experience with the Xperia camera. Thanks for watching.